Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to search contacts on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. First, click on these three lines here and now click invite friends, and here as you see you'll find just type any contact here, and that's it. That's how to search for contacts on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.